Yes. I said to you. Give me one. Okay. That's the message. Because
like the woman who offered the prayer, she said it all. We don't want to know what the enemy said, what the enemy did not say, what anybody said. But our people will address that at the appropriate time. We only want to tell you, welcome. This is a solidarity and welcome visit by your people. We are behind you. We are with you. Anything you say, anything you do, on behalf of us, politically, we are with you. Nobody can change us, nobody can shift our eyes out from you or from the Minister of Federal Capital Territory. We are with him, we are with him. We are with you, we are with you. So we are pleased that we have gathered this a few that we can reach immediately after our Congress. Very successful Congress. I reported to you when I left. I came back to you to tell you we have come back. We are here to say thank God, and thank God. And to tell you our solidarity with you is forever because we made our Congress. I will, at this point, after greeting everybody like I did, and thanking God for you and for ourselves, because anything other than this would have blocked us up. We wouldn't have known how to explain it. But thank God, our leader and Federal Capital Minister was here with his own entourage. And we are here today. I don't know who else we expect. We are not expecting any other person. I don't know who else you are expecting in the political space. We have come, and this is us. We want to assure you of our solidarity with you. Solidarity forever, because we are together. Having said that, we will do the rest of the interview and the rest of the political talking outside, so that we can allow you attend to your therapist and the rest of them. I took special permission for this hour because I know this is your treatment time. But because of the interest we have in us and our own wish to make sure we see you before our leaders leave, particularly the former chief of staff is leaving for Abuja too. So we are here now. Bear with us for disrupting your problem. That's right. So as we go outside, we'll do the rest of the talking. Because we'll tell the world that you are back and you are back. We'll also make them know we are in solidarity with you. Nobody changes us. We're taking a decision. The line is drawn. Whatever anybody here, they can take it on their own group. This is our own group. Come on, Mecca. Mecca. PDP. PDP. Our solidarity with you. You are a leader. We have come to say thank God for your coming back. It can take 20 years, it can take 2 days, but we are praying for a very quick word from God that we'll meet with you again where we used to meet. And we'll be coming here from time to time until we are fully healed to come out to the arena in Port Harcourt and elsewhere. But because our leader has been here, we are satisfied. Yeah, we can hear we are satisfied. And now that he has come and gone, we now want to keep it going so that we don't lose anything because we are with you. Solidarity is forever. The line is strong. I keep saying, Mecca. Then we'll have Mecca. Blow the fort. Mecca. Mecca.
Record. Of record, okay, and you of record, okay, party, of record, okay, government to other fan record. Him roasted their fan record, no. Zimbodo, and only women, Pakara. I make you know who went Bono Yam or Year 1 weekend because of Haley Barnoku. Walker came to River State and Akarike. Can name on governor before Mohoga. Can name. Owe imono to commission okano oge extension na ngara kwele na ya ge. Mazu we ibubu no be de le gbe na ya. Se kan zero ke mele mu ke ka be da ka na we adu. Ya me me gide ya. Keto. And Melekis. Name one me some week and can Omele. Omele because politics people it make on bad, don't go to okay. In Lala many waka. The FCT minister is not like that. He came to see me in London 2 times. 2 times. One in the hospital, one in my house. He's a dependable ally. Oburele no kumena karoka nana kageka ozahi makar ozahi makar akana kakeni babo mai magogo babo mai ha makar wono hite no homeno no benyi temo wabi no benyi ani no brand ya boma e baba kanu e balaba kanu nzono Kimoso no bojamona can because odika inyaka odika honanya odika memem go ne menu bad go menum be masa nyele aka no ruwa ya moko and na egbe makono chineke nye na ya aka PDP is of one family. PDP must be one family. Amen. And when I'm election on Saturday, that's how it's supposed to be. Quiet and nice and well done. Mulema and many handmen and Udo. Now, bomb traditional ruler. Bomb traditional ruler. Oh, one has a name. Mburunga na mzere noro. N'elekiri no TV. Owono de ka question ni je kwa mso ma ansai. Ko mara no. Iwu loro ma wu asa. Okan akara je hikezi. Iwu loro ma wu asa. Okan akara hikezi o metu kido ni ame pato se de hoya. Omo we me penti ni kan gwa ba ngo hu agbaro na am gwa penti kwada mo mama ta mege mi no ikuru nore amo ya manaka mbo traditional ruler no noble can come to my palace wherever you are come black green yellow black come waba no noble ba no barota and mele hanoba oblele bere. Look, now look on Babu man wishing well, boy. And when I walk up, man, I want a young girl. The golden Bodo. Oh, really, Sabah come upon Ben as a happy man and hunger. What? The more prayers to this house, the better for my life. Because I am not done with what I'm battling with as an illness. I'm not done. I'm still battling with it. But the worst time is over. The worst time is over. I will never pray death for he who is praying death for me. It's against my principle as a Christian. The Bible says pray for those who curse you. The Bible said make friends with those who want you as enemy. Mama module market and because the Nali week of 4 months. One will more than Bible. Now that's a mistake. Now has an obiku. ụmụ nwụrụ nke ọkụ emeghịrị ụgbọala ọmụ nwere nke ọkụ ndị nọbụla emerụme na mgbe ahụla m ntụdozere thank you very much. And you hold down because as I bought on our back and sit it on the no dating on the or here I am. Thank you very much.
The former chairman of the River State Council of Traditional Ruler, Sergeant Awusi, has unstable character and he does not feel to work with such a person. What is your take on this?
First and foremost, I ordinarily, like I have always said, I have at different fora referred Rivers people to what Ecclesiastes said in chapter 10, verse 16. He said, woe unto a city whose king is a child and whose princes marry in the morning. So that summarizes what Governor Siminalayi Fubara said. It's very unfortunate that a governor will not be gubernatorial. That is an exalted office. Not too many people are referred to as their excellencies. So the prefix excellency is not an all-comers name. But it's unfortunate what we have in River State. That you will call a man who has written to you thrice in his capacity as the chairman of the River State Traditional Rulers Council to say, look, I want to go for my routine medical checkup. Not very many people do not have ailments. But because by the grace of God, we cover it. And the man says to you, it's time for me to go and do my checkup. And he approved, unfortunately. For him to turn around, you know, when a man is unstable, it is easy for him to think that every other person is unstable. Governor Fubara has earned a place in the Macmillan Dictionary, in the Guinness Book of World Records, as a man of unstable character. So he thinks everybody is unstable. Or Sergeant Awusi, we all know his pedigree. We know his pedigree. He's been the leader of opposition in this state. He is not a mandibular walkabout. He's not a man who goes to, like they would say in local parlance, he's not a stomach infrastructure politician. If the traditional ruler was supporting him, would you have described him as unstable character? We know all of those who are with him, those who swore that they will never support him over their dead body, will they support him? Are all hobnobbing with him today. So I have stopped reacting to the statements of the governor because they are very pedestrian. We like to discuss policies. He's not the only governor in this federation. There are 36 of them. Governance is going on in other places, including those he calls to come and visit him. So we have passed that stage. A governor without a political party. That's a governor.
Well, first and foremost, let me support the position of the executive chairman of Emo local government area, that whoever that is occupying the brick house, I don't know his name again, is very unstable. And it's not a person to be reckoned with. In 2023, when we were campaigning, he campaigned on the mantra of continuity and consolidation. It was to continue with New Rivers vision and consolidation. Shortly after that, we begin to hear on your mandate we shall stand. That is the president's own. Today, what you hear is Rivers first. But that is not the subject matter. We are here, you've heard that when we heard that our traditional ruler is a man of unstable character, all of us were taken aback because there's no politician in Nigeria that will say he does not know about Chief Sergeant Awusi. This is a man who, as far back as transition of PFM, was a standard bearer for the governorship of Rivers State. We also know that SDP and ROC days of Awusi and Abule, these are names you know, until recently PDP in 1999. So we don't want to discuss Awusi today, But you've heard from him that he duly sought for permission. 3 times he wrote to the governor. The letters are in the public. Let those who are promoting him come and refute that Awuse never wrote to him. Having said that, ordinarily I shouldn't respond to people who are unable to manage their father's estate. That people who nobody knew their name, nobody have heard about them until Wike came on board in 2012 and decided to give them the renovation, the furnishing of UBEC schools, with which they now have a name. So when you are supporting an ungrateful governor, it is only natural that you too are ungrateful.
Absolutely.
So like Chidi Loy said, I don't want anybody to bring me to that level. But let me address the issue. We are Emoha people. We know ourselves, we know our pedigrees. Some of us started from nowhere and we know where we are today. Those who had a father's estate and could not manage it, if they see anywhere to survive, what do you expect from them? They will support that as a pipe that is giving them little life. But very, very soon, we will know how far they will go. His Excellency, the paramount ruler of Emoha said, I am grateful to Wike. Maybe some of you may not know. As you were coming here, you drove along a third road with dual drain. If you don't know, let me take you back. As far back as 2011, 2012, this road was awarded by the then governor, Rotimi Amechi. Because it is Awuse, they never mobilized the contractor. Nyesom Wike came on board, mobilized Julius Berger, not just ordinary contractor, to construct this Awuse road. Emoha people will bear me witness that we have had governors in this state, but no one did Romakunde, Rumuche, Akmabaka road. No governor constructed Ishodu road. No governor constructed Mbitawa road. No governor appointed an Emoha son as chief of staff for 8 years, 2 tenure. No governor appointed an Emoha son as chief judge of Rivers State. Today, some of these people who are dancing macabre dance, they are dancing because they are getting a little thing from the judiciary department. Who made it possible? No governor appointed an Emoha son as the chief electoral officer of Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. No governor constructed the Obakere internal road. No governor constructed Rumuji, Iba, Obele road. No governor constructed Rumodogo 1, Rumodogo 2. No governor constructed Akpabu road. So if a paramount ruler of Emoha as the chairman, his capacity as the chairman of Rivers State Traditional Ruler Council says, I'm supporting Wike, I'm supporting the FCT minister, have they made any mistake? No. Those who say they won't come to the palace, who needs them in the palace? They say they are members of Simplified Movement. What is Simplified Movement? Until they identify themselves, we know how to do that. So there is no point to worry about who are they, how many are they in the Simplified Movement. When the time comes, we know who is winning. PDP!
Hey,